Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hello everybody, I'm Marley, human being, yoga teacher, and lover of life. I'm gonna lead you through a little 10 or so minute flow today, just getting the breath and body moving. As usual, please take what you need, listen to your body, remember to breathe and ease off if you need to. Take this practice at your pace completely. We're gonna get started on our backs. Knock the knees together and your feet out nice and wide. And you choose, what do you need here? If you're looking for grounding, take one palm to your heart and the other to your belly. And if you're looking for more of an uplifting sensation, take the palms nice and wide out to a T, palms facing up. And then we'll start with some clearing breaths here. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Deep exhale out of your mouth. Yeah, and feel free to be nice and vocal here. This time, notice all parts of your back body making contact with the earth. And as you exhale, you'll feel them melt down a little deeper. Big inhale through your nose, fill up. Clearing, exhale. And one more like this. Inhale. Exhale, back body grounds down. And then we'll begin to move into the Ujjayi breath, constricting the back of the throat, inhaling and exhaling through the nose. As you inhale, imagine your belly filling up like a balloon. Breathe in. Feel low belly, mid belly, heart center. And exhale, deflate, heart center, ribs, low belly. Another like this, inhale, fill up. Exhale, deflate. Inhale, fill low belly, ribs, heart space, maybe even collarbones. Exhale, heart space, ribs, low belly. Last one, your breath. And beginning to find our flow, simple movement on the inhale, re-stamp the bottom of both feet into the mat. Point your knees towards the ceiling. When your exhale begins, knock your knees to the right. Find a baby twist. Inhale, knees through center. Exhale, knees left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Continue your breath, your movement. Inhaling to come through center. Exhaling for a baby twist. Take one more full round. On your next inhale, return your knees through center. And on the exhale, knees come to chest. Give yourself a little hug. Rock it side to side, massage out the low back. And already here, take note. Does anything feel different from when you started class? Roll yourself over to one side. Gently, slowly come all the way up to a seat. In this seat, feel free to go cross-legged if that's most comfortable for you, or you can sit onto the couch. We're gonna move into some neck stretches. So first, elongate your spine, grow tall. Imagine a string pulling up on the crown of your head. Inhale, feel that string lift you up. And then on the exhale, you'll take right ear to right shoulder. This might be plenty for you right here. If you want to go a bit deeper, lift the left fingertips up off the mat. Close the eyes if that feels okay. And as you inhale, you'll stretch left fingertips away from left ear. How does that feel on the side of your neck? And exhale, relax into it. Another deep inhale, stretch left fingertips away from left ear. Exhale, settle in. One more like this. Inhale, stretch it out. And exhale, return through center. Another inhale to grow long. Feel that string pulling up on the crown of your head. Exhale, left ear, left shoulder. And check in here. Maybe this is plenty. If you'd like to go deeper, lift your right fingertips up off the mat. And as you inhale, stretch right fingertips away from your right ear. Exhale to settle. Another like this. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, release. Last one. Inhale, lengthen. Your exhale, return through center. Coming into a little spinal twist. Inhale, reach your palms high. Feel that string lifting you up. And exhale, twist to your right. Left palm to the outside of the right leg. Same thing, feel that string. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, twist deeper. Inhale, lengthen, side bodies reach up. Exhale, twist from your belly. Next inhale, return through center, reach high, maybe find a smile. And exhale, twist left. Right palm to the outside of the left thigh. Your inhale, grow tall, feel that string. Exhale, twist. You know the movement, take one more deep breath here. Inhale, reach high once more. Your exhale, take the palms out in front of you. sit into a tabletop. Now we'll just find some simple cat-cows, opening up the spine a little bit more. As you inhale, drop your belly, reach your chest forward, chin up. And as you exhale, curl in like a scared Halloween cat, tuck your tail, chin to chest. Again, your breath, your movement, continue to flow through this. Inhale for cow. Exhale for cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Last one. Next, inhale. Allow the toes to meet. Take the knees nice and wide. Sit back to a child's pose. Take the deepest inhale you've taken yet. And a clearing exhale. Take note here of what's changed, even in just a short time. How do you feel physically, mentally, emotionally, energetically? The power of yoga. On your next inhale, slowly walk yourself back up to a seat, taking your time, moving gently. Option to keep the eyes closed. Take your palms to heart center. And take a moment to honor yourself for doing something kind for mind, body, and soul. I like to believe that when we practice yoga, we're not only positively benefiting ourselves, but everyone that we come into contact with for the rest of our day and our days. Thank you so much for practicing with me. It's an honor to lead you through this class, 10-minute class. Take one last deep inhale, connect your palms to your chest. Together, let's end in a moment of silence and gratitude. Thank you so, so much. If you enjoyed that, there is plenty more where that came from. I have an upcoming retreat in Uvita, Costa Rica this coming New Year's, and I would love to have you. It's a women's only retreat, and the link is below in the comments. So it's www.marleymassara.com/reflect, rebalance, rebirth. Thank you so much. Have a good one.